Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 9. Burgle Balls Attack.
Hey, what's going on down here?
We're building the Robo-Rat 2000.
Let me guess. You're the smart one with all the ideas, and he's the mooch who's riding on your coattails.
Why don't you mind your own beeswax, Dad?
Why, what you gonna do? Cry? You should have seen this big crybaby when he was your age. Wah, wah. Did he ever tell you about his tail?
That's enough, Dad!
Come on, haven't you ever wondered why your tail is round at the end and his tail is flat? Go on, tell him what happened.
Knock it off, Dad!
Why? Are you afraid he won't love you anymore when he finds out what a loser you really are?
We interrupt this dramatic scene with breaking news. A big bunch of Burgle Balls are on the loose. Let's roll the clip.
Help! My diamond rings got burgled! And... Help! My Moloch got burgled! Help! My skateboards got burgled! My candy and gum got burgled! My fake tuna and whoopee cushions got burgled too! Soon... Hello?
Hi, I'm Dr. Scum. I'm taking over the city, and Dogman can't stop me.
Dogman, there's a new villain in town!
I'm not new!
You must stop this new threat to society!
Come on, I was in the first book!
Go catch a new bad guy!
Seriously, I'm a really big role in chapter 2!
And so...
Oh look, here comes Dogman. He'll stop those pesky Burgle Balls.
But...
Uh-oh. We gotta go save the world, Papa.
Hey, that's a good idea. You guys should go. Make me proud, son.
And so... Chapter 10. Do Good. My Burgle Balls are returning! What treasures have you brought me? Ooh, diamond rings! Awesome! Cold hard cash! I love it! Skateboards? Wait, what? Candy and gum? Fake doodle and whoopee cushions? What do I look like? A 5-year-old? Bad Burgle Balls! Bad! Bad! Now get back out there and burgle me something age appropriate! And so...
Here they come, Papa. If we're gonna stop those guys, we all have to work together. I'll be right back. Hi, Dogman. It's me. I know you're scared, Dogman, but the city needs you. You're a good boy, Dogman, but that doesn't mean very much. Look around. This city is filled with good people, but none of them are doing anything. It's not enough to just be good. We gotta do good. Even if things get scary, even if we face fast time or 1,000 bad times, evil shall not prevail. Because we're not just gonna be good, we're gonna do good. Gee, I sure wish ADHD was here. Okay, Papa, get ready. Here come the Supa Buddies.
Flip, baby, flip! Ready? Chapter 11. The Very Hangry Raterpillar. Soon, the Very Hangry Raterpillar chased the last remaining Burgle Ball straight to Dr. Scum's laboratory. Haha! Rats! All of my Burgle Balls got eaten up! But no worries, that Raterpillar is no match for my Colossal Bot 2000! Mwahahaha! It's Robo time! Go shoot! The Colossal Bot 2000 attacked, and the fight was on! Flip it, don't rip it. Ready? The battle was intense, but fortunately, the Very Hangry Raterpillar had an appetite for destruction. Oh!